Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Biology Past Question 17. A peculiar characteristics of mammals is that A. They have lungs, B. Have teeth, C. Are warm-blooded, and D. Have sebaceous gland. Now, mammals, we refer to mammals as organisms that give birth to their young ones alive. And like you know, mammals are warm-blooded. First of all, mammals are warm-blooded, but that doesn't mean that this warm-bloodedness is specific to what? To mammals. Because take for instance, apes, as the birds, are also warm-blooded. They are warm-blooded. Now also, mammals has what? Mammals have lungs, but that doesn't mean that this lungs is peculiar to mammals alone, because like the apes and reptiles, they also have what? They have lungs. Also, mammals have teeth. They have teeth, and this is not specific to mammals alone. Also, reptiles like lizard also has teeth. Now, mammals have sebaceous gland. They have both. Mammals have sweat gland and sebaceous gland. Now, the sweat gland produces what we call the sweat, and the sebaceous gland produces an oily substance, what we call sebum, that helps lubricate the skin. Now, this sweat gland and sebaceous gland is peculiar to mammals alone. It is peculiar. It's a specific what? Characteristics of mammals: presence of sweat gland and sebaceous gland. So option D is the right answer to this question. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.